How to recover a deleted Facebook account after 30 days. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can recover deleted Facebook account after 30 days. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, make sure that it's really deleted. Sometimes your account might not be fully deleted and could be temporarily deactivation. So in that case, you have to log in into your Facebook account. There, try with your user login credential. If your account is not deleted, it may just be deactivated. So you can reactivate it by simply logging in with your login credential. But if you're unable to log in, you can reset for a password, or you can request for a password reset using your email or phone number. But if it has been more than 30 days and still you cannot access your account, then your account may be deleted permanently. So in that case, you have to contact to Facebook support. So for that, head towards the Google in your device and in the search bar, type in Facebook Help Center. Go to the first link, that is Facebook Help Center. And here what you have to do is tap in the three-line icon at the top right, and here select login recovery and security. Here select account recovery, and here what you have to do is scroll down, and there you will have a section that says was this helpful. Then from there you have to tap on no. Now from this option select other, then you will get this text box where you can type in your issues. Here you can submit a request to Facebook explaining your issues. You can say that you have deleted your Facebook account and it has already been 30 days, but I want to recover it back. So mention all of your issues, provide all of the necessary documents or details that may be your email account that is associated with your account. Once you have done that, tap on submit. Now, once your request is submitted to Facebook, Facebook will review your request, and also it will review your account, and it will get back to you with a solutions and help you to recover your account. Facebook may also ask for identification verification to confirm that you are the account owner. So make sure to provide all of the necessary identification verification as well. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.